Hey, buddy. I know what you are. You're away. Nope. Nope. I'm gonna go way away from you. You stay over there. Way away. I don't play with skunks. Anywho, let's hit the road. Y'all know me, I don't let no grass grow under my feet. It's only like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm already in Florida. I woke up in Dallas. Oh well. Well, the state of Florida ain't messing around. They just asked me some questions whenever I pulled into the scale house. Real simply, they just said, "What are you hauling?" Nothing. Sailboat fuel, boys. I guess they're taking this whole English proficiency pretty legit after old U-turn dude failed his test. I'm in Florida at a true motel. It's the Econo Lodge. It's only $65 a night. I'm running way ahead of schedule. We'll look at it in a minute. I'm gonna go eat. Welcome to the Econo Lodge. Insert here. See that over there? That's water. I guarantee there's gator in there. No, no, I'm not gonna go wrestle no damn alligator. I will go to the Waffle House though. See? Water, gator. Do you mind if I sit at the bar? Is that okay with you? I don't know if you can see it, but it just rained while I was in there, and there's steam coming off of the pavement. The pavement is so high, and yeah, it's humid. Like not regular humid. We're talking, it's thicker than a fat chick on Thursday. Also, I jokingly asked if there's gators around here, and they laughed and said, "It's Florida, there's water. Of course there's a gator here." Like, seriously, it's that thick. We got bicycles, we got boots, we got people who live here. And it's cheap, like real cheap, like $65 a night. Down the road was like 140. All right, here we go. We got a skiing bed. That's, I don't even know how to spell it. Defuniac? Does that mean that that there's no fun in the yak? They defund the yak. Anywho, microwave, fridge works. Got a coffee pot, that's good. Nice little sink area. Shampoo conditioner. Hey, cool. Towels. That thing's way up there. Like, seriously. That's probably 7 foot. Okay, maybe 6'8". Ironing board, and they should have Kleenex in there, but they don't. That bed looks creepy. And it's got a chair. This chair's horrible. I really gotta get batteries for Blacklight. Sorry, actually got. Hey, the Cosby Show. It works. Yeah, I mean, it just looks worn out and just nasty. It's a very thin cover. Oh, I shouldn't have flopped. It only goes down like 4 inches and then it's hard. Oh well. Yeah. It's 5 o'clock. I need to get up in like 6 hours. Well, 6 hours, 8 hours. If I get up at 1, then it'll be 2 Florida time. Well, the other side of Florida time. I go down by Miami to Fort Lauderdale, so then I can leave by 1:30, and then I should be able to get there by like 10, and then maybe earlier, and maybe I can get an early flight, and then maybe I can meet up with my wife in Houston and fly with her to Dallas, and I don't think that's gonna work out for me. I'm gonna try though. Hey, Kyle, what are you doing in this room? Kyle got all jacked up on Mountain Dew. That's what happened. I'm awake. It's 12:30. So I'm making coffee. Oh, I slept okay. Yeah. Oh, I should have looked up. Yeah, this place is not as cool as I thought. It's kind of nasty. Shower's good. Towels are actually really nice, really thick and heavy, and they get soft. So, but yeah. All right, I gotta hurry up. Okay, so no, I would not stay here again. The reason being is because there's a few spots that are really bad, but I can get in there and I can park there. so I can stay there. But I can only get in here with a single. So I got all the options in the world to go to any hotel. The only reason I picked this place is because it was cheap and I didn't want to stay in Crestview. It was a little farther down the road, like 30 minutes or so. But yeah, no, I wouldn't stay here again. I made it! In happy Miami, actually, I'm in Fort Lauderdale. It's the same shit. Anywho, I just want to say I appreciate you. I'm going to cut this video off here. Then I'm going to go do the United Club, short of that stuff, because I ain't been there, the airport. Now I'm going to start a new one just to get home. Because I don't know if I'm going to go home or if I'm going to stay at a hotel next to the airport and then pick up and then go home tomorrow. And then, yeah, I don't know what to do. Anywho, just hang around. I appreciate all the new subscribers that my wife got, because all of a sudden I woke up and I had 20 new subscribers kind of deal. That was cool. But I appreciate you, and yeah, I'll catch you later. God bless.